with Raju Prajapati.
Hello everyone. AgriVision for you is excited to bring you Udan Season 3, where we connect with achievers from top colleges across India. In this episode, we are thrilled to have Miss Nidhi Arora from NIFTM K, who has recently qualified for GATE Excel 2024 and achieved her dream. Let's meet Vidhi today and know her journey. So, how are you doing, Vidhi?
Hello, sir. Hello, everyone. I'm Vidhi Arora, and I have completed my BTech in Food Technology from Sardar Patel University, Meerut. And after qualifying GATE Excel 2024, I'm here at my dream college, NIFTM Kunti.
Oh, nice. So, you reached ultimately to a dream college, NIFTM. So, NIFTM is basically National Institute of Food Technology and Entrepreneurship Management. The another thing is that, as Vidhi told, she has completed her bachelor's from Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel University, Meerut. Now, generally, Vidhi, taking GATE and getting to your dream college, generally, it's very different way. Generally, people go for their jobs and all placements. So, it was there in your mind somewhere to go for placements as well, or you have decided earlier, like, no, I'll be going for GATE only and I'll be going for higher studies.
So actually, there are two main reasons. First of all, when you are having a MTech, you have an edge over other employees because you will get a good, respectable position. And secondly,
Yeah.
the big reason is the salary. Like during our internship, we have seen that from BTech students are getting only 20,000 a month, and I think it's not that what I want to achieve in life. So after doing my MTech from a prestigious college, I can get a good, I feel like package is secondary. The main is the position you get. After studying 2 more years, you can directly get a head position. So it's that matter most.
Okay, that's correct. And I guess this matters everywhere. You know, whenever you are, you know, you have done BSc, or let's say someone has done MSc and someone has done PhD. So ultimately, at a passage of time, with the passage of time in any industry, it will be either it will be helpful in your, you know, promotion, or no, you'll be also recognized with your knowledge, and you'll also feel that now I know something better than what others are knowing. So basically, bachelor's is ultimately something that what we learn, that where we are going to head. Now we don't master. This is why the bachelor's and masters is something we know. The even if we go to you know, meaning of the word, it goes like, okay, you are masters, right? So totally agree with this fact. When did you decide to take the GATE examination? And I mean, what did you, I mean, see, you have told already that, you know, somewhere you felt in your internship that people are getting very less salary, that 20,000, 15,000 around that. So is that thing that brought in your mind that, okay, now let's go for GATE examination and try for something better, or something else?
Sir, during our third year, when all our seniors were preparing for MBA or MTech, and even when we asked our mentors, they said that from this college, you won't get a good placement. So you have to work on your own. So at that
Mm-hmm.
time, I have two options, one to go for MTech and one for MTech. And in MBA, every third person was choosing MBA, and there is very less chances to get a good college. So I thought,
Okay.
why to not to change my domain? If I have
Okay.
completed my BTech in food technology, I should choose MTech in food technology. So that was the time when I thought to do GATE. And there was a sir, Abhinav sir, and he came us to teach oil and fat technology at that time. So like
Mm-hmm.
he was very intellectual man. So I asked her, sir, can you please suggest me some coaching or some study material to start my preparation? Because starting phase is very difficult. So then he suggested me that my junior Raju has started a like startup of AgriVision for you. You can contact him and he'll be helping you out. And at that time, I
Okay.
chose AgriVision.
Oh, great. That's such a great, you know, link is you made it like, no, I mean, yeah, Abhinav Bhaiya was something very senior to me. And we had connected for something related to food technology when I was exploring about AgriVision for you. So thank you so much for that. And even thank you so much for believing them as well as us. Actually, it's wonderful. what initially inspired you to choose a career in food technology, like in BTech and all?
Uh, to be honest, during my 12th, it was 2020 COVID year, and my last paper, after my last biology paper, there was pandemic and lockdown everywhere. So I don't want to take a drop of year and prepare for NEET. So I thought to choose another alternative career. The food technology was not my aim, but I came into
Okay.
food technology, and now this is my aim. Like my
Okay.
goals and aims have changed. So,
Great.
like it was not pre-planned that I will choose BTech in food technology. Even I'm from the bio background, and still I did
Mhm.
BTech. So it's all God grace.
Okay, so you feel like God had made you reach to this food technology money and now you're
Yes,
enjoying well, right? Awesome,
yes.
awesome, awesome. Okay, so and why there are a lot of colleges for food technology? Of course, this in UP also there is SPTU Kanpur and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and I guess BHU also has bachelor's basically BSc it is 3-year degree, and yeah, might be Delhi a lot of colleges are there, and other in India a lot of colleges are there. How did you reach to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel University? Did you give any entrance sort of or something else?
Actually, I applied for UP Cadet exam and UPTU. These are some of the basic exam that a biology students apply. From UPTU will go for pharmacy, and from UP Cadet you can go for agriculture and food technology. So
Acha,
from that,
acha.
and I thought that I'll be going in BSc agriculture, as I'm not
Mhm.
from maths background, so that I can choose BTech. But when they
Okay,
opened the counseling, they said that a biology students can also apply. So
okay,
in my first thought, I was like, I have to go for food technology because I can feel like the era of processed food is all over our country. From morning to night, we are eating something processed. So that was the time I was like, if I'm getting the opportunity, I'll go for it.
okay. Insightful. And okay, so you appeared for you picked at it first, then you got a chance since you were from the background of biology, you got a chance for counseling in food technology also,
BTech.
and somehow luckily you got it food technology, and now you pursued that dream. Awesome, awesome.
Yes.
Okay, Vidhi, in which year you decided for GATE examination because you have already appeared for UPCAT and other competitive examination. What was the time that you felt like, no, this is the no, I have to give GATE, and what was the reason behind that?
In 2023, when I gave GATE on my own, like I studied myself, and I didn't qualify because I don't know what I studied,
Mhm.
it didn't help me. So after that, I asked sir, what to do? I want to qualify GATE, I want some guidance, mentorship. So then he suggested me Agrivision. So not even one complete year I have studied with Agrivision. It was a time span of 8 to 9 months, but yeah, it
Mhm.
helped me a lot from the first day
Cool.
itself. From food chemistry to food technology, and even I'm really scared of maths, but the food engineering section was made so easy that at the end I was like, I can teach others also, like Satyadeep sir and ma'am,
Sonal Patil, ma'am.
ma'am, they taught us really well.
Correct,
Yes.
correct. That's correct. That's good. So basically, that's answer for the like 8 to 9 months. This is basically you might have joined. This is
From
August or
April, I
July,
guess April
April.
end, April end I joined. So from May the classes started, and till December they even completed my course. So I was having complete 40 days for revision and everything.
Oh, nice. That's good. I mean, we are doing really great that I'm proud of. Now agrivision for you. Okay. Either it was easy to decide to take agrivision for you. Did you research or did you find something unique? What was that motivation to join us? I mean, did you inquire somewhere along that?
So first of all, I like Google. So on Google, I can find Foodemy and one two more websites, but they
Hmm.
weren't responding at all. I
Okay.
contacted them. And the
Okay.
second most important thing was, sir recommended me like, you won't fail, just try, and he'll help you out. So I was like, okay. I was more inclined toward aggregation, and even in my during my first inquiry, after that, Akanksha ma'am was so helpful. Like every time when I was having a problem, she helped me. First of all, I was like, I don't want to take microbiology. I'll choose zoology because zoology is easy. But the way Akanksha ma'am convinced me to choose microbiology over zoology was really good. And after that, same happened with my juniors this year. She convinced them also to choose microbiology over zoology. So that was the starting ki, okay, I can do. And even if I won't understand zoology by September, they will give me zoology ki, okay, you do zoology. So
Okay.
that made a trust within myself.
Okay. Okay. So now, what do you think that, I mean, if you have to choose some, if you have to convince someone about this choosing among this between this microbiology and geology, what would tell them?
Now microbiology, because in MTech also we have to study about some basic organisms, and if you are from zoology you won't even know anything. So surely microbiology, and also it helped us to know many more things about their anatomy and morphology of bacteria and other organisms. So yes, and even we have studied botany zoology in 11 12, so we have a basic idea. So we should
That's
give a
good. That's
try to microbiology surely.
correct. 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 With you, what was the unique thing? Well, the whole process of 8 to 9 months when you joined us, what was the best thing that you found about us, like live lectures, or let's say how much impactful it was about all the mentors. Like Ankita ma'am might have taught you microbiology, Saptadeep. Then we have Sonal Patil ma'am. I also took one or two lectures, if I remember that, mass energy balance. So, how did you find that lectures, short notes, and I mean, if you whatever the thing, if you can give a gist about that, how the strategy worked or not, or could we provide enough things that you don't have to take some other books or sort of just tell that.
uh, I'll start subject wise. So first of all, for food technology, they were providing us enough material. Like they have uploaded on the website also, and even you have the basics book which the teacher recommends. So you can easily go through them. So food technology
Correct.
is easy. You can cover every day in the class only what teacher taught, because the next day they are asking us a summary. So it's very easy. For chemistry, I fear organic chemistry to be honest, but Anitesh sir
Okay.
made it easy. Even in my GATE exam, I scored almost full in chemistry. I didn't got any question wrong. So it went wrong
Oh,
only
very
in food
nice.
tech and in micro, because they were MSQs, so much MSQ, and I got confused and lost my marks there. But in chemistry, I got every question right because of Anitesh sir. And I remember only 3 4 students used to come regularly till the end, and sir still managed to take our classes. Like he was not like
Hmm.
that, ki students are not coming, I won't take the class. And for Sonal ma'am, he also she also gave us too many question banks to solve DSLR. It helped me. Like I solved every question and then we matched in the next class. So it helped me. And
Okay.
if I'll come to test series, I will say that test series were more, and I didn't attempted it all. Like I was having shortage of time. I have to do revision also, but you will get ample
Mhm.
amount of test series. Even I know
Okay.
that I haven't attempted 4 5 full length tests because I was not having time. I think like I should do revision or do test, but yeah, you should attempt all the tests. There are ample
Okay.
amount of tests.
Okay. So if someone is attempting all the tests, they could excel with the
Yeah.
sort of rank as well. Correct. Very correct. Okay, thank you so much for appreciating this. And I feel like we'll also take some of the feedbacks and would also improve more and more to make it this platform more engaging and more sort of helping. And it's easy to understand. Sort of like if you're joining, you'll be getting the best out of that. Okay, thank you. So, according to your journey, Vidhi, you have gone with a lot of phases. Now you are at NIFTEM. You have started the classes and all. One thing. what are the major hurdles that a student face while preparing for GATE, while choosing that? Either even sometimes either when should we go for preparing for GATE, because now you can appear for third year also and fourth year also. Also to choose these subjects also, what's the background of someone? That also is second thing. The third thing is like either someone has to go for coaching or not. Also people take very they take decision very late. Okay, still about that, how to manage that things and how come up with this thought that okay, if I need that, let's go for that in platform, get the help and get, because if you know the perks of this gate, you would of course do, because you are getting for 12,400 as a scholarship and you are going to make it 3 lakhs of sort of this as a stipend, and you will be able to manage all the expenses of course. So it's almost free for your masters, and you are earning the knowledge, you are leveraging that, you are going to have that whole big name of as an IFTM, you will be getting that leverage of community that they have built or alumni connection they have built. So yeah, please tell that.
Sir, if I talk about hurdles, I started preparing in my fourth year, so there was less burden of academics, but we have to do our ELP research work. So our full day was utilized in college, and some days were like I just came back from college and from 6 p.m. we have a class. So at that time I felt like अरे यार मुझे नहीं करनी, but वही मुझे नहीं करनी को change करना है. I guess I have attended almost every class, even if I was feeling sleepy, I was having dinner. So class attend karna is very important because there is a big backlog. During our final exams, I was not able to attend class because I have to study about the courses. At that time, I was having 10 or 11 backlog classes and I didn't attend any. So those corners are never touched because I was not able to attend them. So don't skip your classes. Even if you are watching it in 2x after the class gets over, but complete the lecture. And secondly, how to manage feeling low, depressed. So every time whenever I got less marks in the test, I just called Akansha ma'am. I remember I have called her many times. Ma'am, I'm not getting good marks in this test. This is very hard. What to do? And she just motivated me कि next वाला अच्छे से होगा, करो. And फिर next अच्छा हो जाता तो ठीक है, नहीं होता तो मैं फिर से मैम आज टेस्ट में बहुत गंदे नंबर आए हैं. तो हाँ, मैंने आकांक्षा मैम को बहुत बार परेशान किया है कि मैम आज अच्छे से नहीं समझ आया, क्या हुआ क्या नहीं हुआ. Even I have not asked teacher that much time. I have asked Akansha ma'am. And yes, in microbiology, even अंकिता मैम हेल्प अ लॉट. अगर कोई भी टॉपिक समझ नहीं आ रहा था, आप पर्सनली उनसे पूछो, वो हेल्प करेंगी. अनिता सर भी सबने एकदम रिस्पॉन्स किया है, तो कभी इशू नहीं हुआ इस चीज का कि टीचर रिस्पॉन्स नहीं कर रहा है. इट वाज ऑल स्मूथ. And secondly, there are perks of qualifying GATE. First of all, you get an edge in our resume. You add it in the first line that you have qualified GATE. And secondly, you'll be getting stipend. So you cannot rely on your parents to take pocket money. You will get sufficient money. You can utilize it. And apart from that, you are studying in a premier institute. You are getting an MTech degree. You are grooming well, you are learning communication skills, and in a national institute now there are students from all over the India, so you get to learn many things. In our UG college we are from UP, everyone, so we were like अरे हम तुम्हें जानते हैं, and we weren't groomed. सब अपनी normal like local language में बात करते थे, but here from last 1 week I can feel that my English communication has also improved because we are speaking with English from everyone, and even it's been 1 week only and I have started learning Kannada also. My friends are starting making me learn Kannada to become trilingual now. So you have so many perks. There is no disadvantage and numerous perks.
Very correct. I appreciate that. And of course you get that sort of other perks also to moving around. You are there in IFTM, you'll be also getting the place where you can go and see the events happening in the IFTM at a bigger level, larger level. You can go to all the officials and all, very frequently in Delhi and Noida.
They are organizing They are organizing
Correct.
workshops every week for us only, so that we can learn
Correct.
something new. Even in World Food India 2024, which will be organized in September, they'll be
Mhm.
having a proper stall over there in Delhi Pragati Madan. So you can learn many things. You will be like showcasing your college there. So there are
Ah,
many things.
nice, very nice. So you are coming there in World Food India.
Yeah, yes, sir. We all have to come there and represent our college.
Very nice. I'll be also coming. Let's meet then. Very correct. Okay. So absolutely, this is very fact. Okay, many of students are not aware of after GATE examination they can get admission into the college like IITs, NITs, ICTs, NIFTEM, and that's what we are trying to do. We are committed to spread awareness by collaborating with the institution and also by a session like this. When we are discussing about what is the perks and all, how is your journey of some students. Also, we are trying to make it like awareness of students can get into their pre-final, so they can prepare for pre-final year, and also they can get admissions for MTech and MSc programs in different colleges, right? We're also having other subjects like we also provide junior food analyst, senior food analyst, this examination CGP that last year happened, food safety officer, also have CFTRI examination preparation, then CUT, PG, NIN, whatever that you need, ICR also, many of the subjects we are having. Moving forward, which subject do you find toughest or the easiest in GATE examination, Vidhi?
General aptitude, to be honest, because
General
for
aptitude, okay.
for some it can be easy. It was easy, but the numerical part was, some questions were so hard. Even chemistry
Mhm.
was easy for me. Food engineering
Okay.
was easy for me, but sometimes GA was so tough. And in GATE they didn't give any question about those numericals, so nothing is that difficult. For some it will be like chemistry में inorganic बहुत hard है, but ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. If you will practice the questions, it was very easy.
हो जाएगा.
Thermodynamics, kinematics, everything was easy. Even food engineering, like I am from science background and I am saying that I have the command over that Ahmad Ansari book, the complete book. I did it so well, but yeah, they didn't provide us many questions in GATE. They were more theoretical questions. Otherwise, I think बहुत अच्छे नंबर आ जाते, but कोई बात नहीं.
मजा आ
But
जाता है. लेकिन एक
but
बात है. हाँ, बोलो
it
बोलो, आप
will
बोलो.
be helpful here also. We have mass transfer and heat transfer in MTech also. So
Exactly.
that whole book will be coming in MTech also. So it will be helpful for me.
और मुझे लगता है ना अहमद अंसारी करने के बाद में और गेट का जो फूड टेक्नोलॉजी पढ़ने के बाद में ना, एक फूड टेक्नोलॉजी वाले स्टूडेंट्स को लगता है कि यार सच में अब जाके पता चला कि फूड टेक्नोलॉजी होती क्या है कि नहीं? ये फीलिंग आती कि नहीं आती है?
Yes, sir. And even our teachers are giving us the basic of the subjects, what all they are teaching. So like I can imagine, यार ये तो मैंने पढ़ा हुआ है, ये मुझे आता है. मेरे को अब इतनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग है सब चीज की कि हाँ क्या सिनेरियो हो सकते हैं किस चीज की प्रोसेसिंग में. So definitely you will learn something, because in UG you don't study. We just everything we just eat it up and just vomit next day. तो बट गेट के लिए वैसा नहीं है, तो 100% यू विल गेन नॉलेज.
गेट में आपको डाइजेस्ट करना पड़ता है, पचाना पड़ता है और मेमोरी में फिर उसको धीरे-धीरे लाइक इट्स काइंड ऑफ होल प्रोसेस ऑफ फूड. आप खाना खाते हो, आप उसकी एनर्जी को कैसे कंज्यूम करते हो, होल प्रोसेस ये वैसा ही है. फूड टेक्नोलॉजी जब गेट के लिए प्रिपेयर करते हो तब आपको समझ में आता है कैसे एक उसका पार्ट कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है, एक वर्ड क्या बता रहा है, क्या समझाता है, क्या कार्बोहाइड्रेट, क्या प्रोटीन, क्या मिनरल्स, एवरीथिंग. वो मैंने भी फील किया था जब मैं गेट के लिए कर रहा था. तो यार फूड टेक्नोलॉजी, तो जब हम गेट के फूड टेक्नोलॉजी पढ़ाई करते हैं तभी समझ में आता है कि यार फूड टेक्नोलॉजी ये है. जो 4 साल में पढ़ते हैं मुझे तो नहीं समझ में आता कि वो थर्ड ईयर होते तो समझ में आता है कि हम पढ़ क्यों रहे, कर क्या रहे. आई टोटली एग्री विद दिस सेंटेंस कि we eat omit wala factor. Agreed. Very correct. Now, Vidhi, as we are at the verge of conclusion of this session, what difference do you think that it would have made if you hadn't joined Agrivision for you and opted for self preparation instead?
Sir, this question is a like gambling question. I don't know if I would be succeed there or not. And during my time of internship, like we went for internship from Feb to June, and the gate result came in March. So I was like, अगर नहीं qualify हुआ 8%, तो मैं यहाँ पे job join करूँगी क्या? तो बहुत dicey था. And in there, in my like I did my internship in Haldiram Snacks Noida. So everyone was so happy, like we are proud of you that you are going for higher studies, you have qualified GATE. So आपको हर जगह से praise ही मिलेगा, तो no doubt. और join करो. और one more thing is कि आप completely rely नहीं हो सकते हो किसी एक institute पे. You have to study on your own. I have made notes for every subject, and even one-page short notes, and I've pasted it on my Almira in January when there was 1 month left to read it every day. So इतना हार्ड वर्क करोगे तो कुछ नंबर आएंगे, और अगर इससे कम हार्ड वर्क करोगे तो नंबर नहीं आएंगे.
वो शॉर्ट नोट्स वगैरह, और जो हम लोग का शॉर्ट नोट्स होता है फूड इंजीनियरिंग वगैरह, वो कैसा होता है?
सर वही शॉर्ट नोट्स में जैसे मैम भी प्रोवाइड करती थी हमारे को, तो बेटर है कि फोन में देखने से अच्छा यू जस्ट राइट इट डाउन इन अ बुक. So I just made a notebook, 20 rupees notebook, and it was having just formulas, and I used to read it every day in the morning. And I just gave it to my junior now. She's also in agrivision, and I gave everything to her. She read it every day from December. Start learning.
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड.
अगर इतनी मेहनत करोगे तब जाके कुछ होगा, उससे कम करोगे तो फिर तो लक अच्छा हो जाएगा.
लक अच्छा तो हो जाएगा, नहीं तो फिर तो क्या ही बोल सकते हैं, कुछ बोल नहीं सकते. Okay, so the last question, with exactly 6 months left for the GATE 2025 examinations, what advice would you like to give to the aspirants targeting GATE XCXL 2025?
Complete your syllabus by November end, and revise in December, like first revision, and like pick 2 subjects in a day, one in the morning, one in the evening, apart from your classes, like daily classes. Pick 2 subjects and just revise them. Like teachers will also ask you to revise, that they will be taking the test, so don't try to avoid that class. Just join it and give the answer, then only you will understand. Because in microbiology there are 2-3 units which are so lengthy, you have to study them, all the vaccines, microorganism, causative microorganism. You have to do that because question came in exam and in MSQ, so you won't be getting the answer.
Correct, very correct.
In from January, just start doing revision and like daily attempt a test. Like if I will tell myself, I just attempted the test, but I didn't check the answer for few test series. And then what happened eventually, in the final test series, full length test series, the same question came and I did it wrong again. So just revise the question. After attempting the test, just see your mistakes and write it somewhere that the answer for a particular question is this. Because they are providing the questions which are tricky. Even if it is an easy question, you will get it right. You are getting it wrong because it's a tricky question. So just analyze your test series. It will be my advice. You will be scoring better in test series and you will be gaining confidence.
भाई मुझे लगता है कि सबसे बढ़िया चीज होती है आपके टेस्ट सीरीज देने के बाद में उसके सारे जो ऑप्शन सही भी हैं उनकी भी एनालिसिस करनी चाहिए, और जो ऑप्शन गलत है उनकी भी, क्योंकि हर ऑप्शन हमें कहीं ना कहीं ले जाता है. मतलब एक वर्ड अगर मान लो हमने दे दिया, फॉर एग्जांपल डिहाइड्रेशन मान लो दे दिया, या ड्राइंग दे दिया, तो ये ड्राइंग अपने आप में एक डेफिनेशन है, बहुत सारे कॉन्सेप्ट है, और ऑप्शन ऐसा ही आता है कि यार ये चीज ठीक है, और उसके बारे में पूरा मान लो
अगर कुछ डाउट भी है क्वेश्चन में, तो जस्ट टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट एंड शेयर विद द रिस्पेक्टेड टीचर. एवरी टाइम आई हैव अ डाउट, आई शेयर्ड इट विद मैम और सर एंड दे गिव मी द आंसर विद इन 24 आवर्स. तो मेरे को पता चल गया कि हाँ मैं कहाँ गलत थी. तो वो बेस्ट ऑप्शन होता है.
और इनफैक्ट जो ग्रुप में हम लास्ट में करते हैं कि once we make a group, now this year we started this time only in July August only, we will be giving question of the day, 2-3 questions, and everything. Even last time also what I made is, this was the best thing that I did. I'm doing from beginning of the when I started this, most probably last year December January I started this question of the
Yes,
day, and
in
I asked
January.
all the
Yes,
mentors.
sir.
I
Even
asked.
in the even at the
Mhm.
last, you just asked friends to share their problems on the common group. So it was a kind of race in our
वही.
mind कि कोई क्वेश्चन आया है, मुझे आता है, मैं सॉल्व करके भेजती हूँ अच्छे से तो सही रहेगा.
वही.
तो उससे कंपटीशन बढ़ता है कि हाँ उसको आता है, मुझे क्यों नहीं आता.
या हेल्दी कंपटीशन होता है कि यार आता आने वाला भी कंपटीशन बढ़ता है और मजा भी आता है कि यार मैंने उसको आंसर किया, किसी का क्वेरी है वो आंसर हो गया, तो वो फिर अपने को कॉन्फिडेंस देता है कि चलो ये चीज मेरे को आती है, किसी और को नहीं आती तो क्या होगा, क्यों आती है और मैं बता दिया तो और सबको आ गई, तो अल्टीमेटली लर्निंग बहुत अच्छी हो जाती है. एग्रीड ऑन दैट. हाँ. ठीक है. तो एनीथिंग एल्स विधि, आप बोलना चाहते हो जो लास्ट में?
सर नहीं, बस अभी बहुत अच्छा फील हो रहा है कि मैं जिस पोजीशन पे थी. आई यूज्ड टू लिसन व्हेन यू यूज्ड टू ऑर्गेनाइज एनी प्रोग्राम फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स टू गेट मोटिवेटेड. आई यूज्ड टू कम देयर एंड लिसन, एंड नाउ आई एम द स्पीकर, सो आई एम जस्ट फीलिंग वेरी हैप्पी. थैंक यू सर, एंड थैंक यू
थैंक यू सो मच.
every teacher and exhibition.
Thank you so much, Vidhi. Thank you so much for coming and joining and sharing your thoughts and stages, how it was and how it can help others as well. To all the students out there, it's high time to start preparing for your upcoming GATE examination. AgriVision for you is here to support your journey with exclusive discount offers on our GATE patch. You can join now. August is a peak time. In 10 days, 5-10 days, we'll be starting with the GATE enrollments. This is form filling basically, and after that, we'll be having 5 to 6 months to basically prepare. It's a high time. Just do join us and avail this. This is Independence Day coming, so you get all the offers and all. Okay. To learn more, contact us at the number visible on the screen. Keep learning and keep exploring. Until next time, see you. Bye bye.